It's the perfect way to make money for all the people who have a passion for social, who are great at connecting with people, and who enjoy working from home. This is how one entrepreneur describes being an online friend. In this video, I'll show you how to get started making money by being an online friend and why this is a great job option. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make more than $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region, and if you have any questions please leave a comment below. Now, let's jump to our today video. Virtual friends have become popular because they offer a way for people to connect with others without having to leave their homes. They also offer an alternative to face-to-face interaction by offering the opportunity for people to talk and share information from afar. Virtual friends are a type of online friendship that can provide passive income to those who want to make money by selling their time or attention. Virtual friends can earn money by providing friendship services to people who are looking for someone to talk to about personal issues, or just someone to listen to. A virtual friendship might be done by simple chat, video calls, or even online gaming. All communications take place online and rarely meet face-to-face. How much can you earn as a virtual friend? Friends offering basic companionship services can charge $20 per hour. Those who have specialized abilities and skills can earn up to $50 per hour. So as a full-time skilled friend might earn up to $2,000 per week. Most online friend platforms pay via PayPal or bank transfer. How to become a virtual friend? There are many websites and apps out there that can help you make money as an online friend. Simply, you can sign up for one of them. You must provide all of your information correctly. Providing this information assists in matching you with individuals who share your interests. It also assures that you're both in the same time zone. You will need to describe yourself and your personality. Inform people about yourself, your personality, and your hobbies and talents. Include any interests, favorite books and films, and foreign language abilities that can help you stand out. Once you've completed your profile, you'll be accessible to folks seeking friends and ready to begin. All that remains is to await friend requests. Here are some of the platforms on which you can start making money as virtual friend. 1. Rent a Friend. Rent a Friend is strictly a platonic friendship website. Rentafriend.com is not a dating website and not an escort agency. Services on rentafriend.com are strictly for friendship purposes only. Rent a Friend is extremely easy to use. No matter where you live, it is working globally. People who travel to a new city can hire a local to show them around town. Rent a Friend charges a nominal membership fee to customers. That means you get all amount you make on the site. You can get $10 or more per hour. Most new friends start with a basic cost of $10 and then grow up. Also, you can charge extra for specific activities such as online gaming or teaching online. 2. Rent a Local Friend. It caters primarily to visitors looking to make friends with locals, but it might also be a good location to be paid to converse in English. According to the website, the average rate you can get is $35 per hour. However, it will only enable you to set your fee to a maximum of $20 per hour. This limit may be increased after your profile has been activated. That means a full-time buddy might possibly earn $5,000 each month. This sounds like a bit of a reach to me, but you never know unless you try. 3. Friend PC. Friend PC is one of the great platforms to make money as an online friend. You can get $5 to $15 per hour to chat on social media or $15 to $30 per hour for phone or video calls. In addition, they have a referral program, so you can make even more money if others sign up to be friends via your link. The best part is that Friend PC pays you the same day as you complete your task. So if you need money quickly, this will be a great way. In the end, it's crucial to be safe as an online friend. You never know who you'll be speaking with, not everyone will have good intentions. So, remember to always use common sense and to respect the regulations of the site you're on. Now, Imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. I will share everything from the initial steps to the best methods for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Click the below links and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.